Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Slack Connect using admin authentication settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Slack Connect using admin authentication settings, begin by logging into your Slack workspace as an administrator. Navigate to the administration section found in the sidebar. Select Manage Members from the administration options. Locate and click on Authentication in the settings menu. Here, you will find the options to adjust authentication settings for your workspace. Locate the Slack Connect section within the authentication settings. Ensure that Slack Connect is enabled for your workspace. Review the available authentication options for Slack Connect. You may choose between single sign-on and standard authentication methods. If you decide to use single sign-on, select this option and follow the provided configuration instructions. Input the necessary credentials for your single sign-on provider. Once complete, save your changes to apply the new authentication settings. Next, inform your team about the new authentication process for Slack Connect. Encourage members to authenticate using the newly configured method when connecting with external organizations. To verify that everything is set up correctly, attempt to connect with an external organization using Slack Connect. Monitor any authentication prompts to ensure they align with your configured settings. If you encounter issues, revisit the authentication settings to troubleshoot. Once verified, your Slack Connect is now securely set up using admin authentication settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.